students, let us learn about the types of software. First of all, what is software? As human beings, we all know how to perform our day-to-day activities and how to react in certain situations. For example, when we feel hungry, we eat. When we get tired of walking, we sit down. When we touch something extremely hot, we immediately remove our hand. Have you ever thought, how do we know what to do in these situations? It is the brain that gives us the instructions to act and react in this manner. Similarly, a computer gets all the instructions from the software to perform various tasks. The software is the soul of a computer, without which it cannot work. Computer is a machine that does not possess any intelligence of its own. A computer without instructions is like a car without an engine. It requires a set of instructions given by a user to work on. These sets of instructions are called programs, which are written in the computer languages. The software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. The software is that part of a computer which cannot be touched or seen. Software is of two types, system software and application software. Let's first talk about system software. System software is defined as a collection of programs that control the overall operations and internal working of a computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfers the processed information to the output devices. System software is of three main types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Students know the fact the term software was first used by John W. Tukey in 1957. Operating system. An operating system is needed to operate a computer. It controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enable them to work together. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is the first program that gets loaded in its memory. Now let us look at an example for clear understanding. An operating system works like the principal of your school. The principal has various responsibilities to manage the school, like supervising the students, teachers and workers, maintaining discipline, setting the examination schedule, timetable, curriculum, and attending to parents and visitors, etc. In the same manner, an operating system performs various functions to manage the working of a computer. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in a school. Everything will be mismanaged. Similarly, if the operating system of a computer is not working properly, you cannot work on it. MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Unix, Linux, Mac OS are examples of some popular operating systems. Okay students, let us now learn the functions of operating system. The main functions of an operating system are device management, input and output. An operating system controls the working of all input and output devices. Memory management. An operating system assigns memory to various programs whenever required. It also frees the memory when it is not in use. Runs software. An operating system runs the application software like Paint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. Processor management. An operating system manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. File management. An operating system keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, copy and storage of files in an organized way. Security. It provides security by means of passwords to prevent misuse of a computer.